So here we have to find the distance covered by a particle undergoing SHM in one time period. So how will we do that? For that, let us consider a particle in SHM. Let there be a mass m, which is, let us consider this position be the mean position. We call that as x is equal to 0. Suppose this mass moved towards right, and since it is in oscillation, it moved towards right and left. Suppose it reached at an extreme point. Let's call x is equal to some a, or to be precise, plus a. That is the x. This position is the extreme position, extreme right position of the mass. And suppose this particle has an extreme left position. We call that as x is equal to, let's say, some minus a. So the particle moves between these 2 points, this left and right extremes. Let us draw a horizontal line for convenience. So the distance from O to A is, we are just considering the magnitude, is a, where a means the amplitude. Also, the distance between the mean position and the left extreme is also a. Keep that in your mind. Now, what does this one time period mean? One time period. So an oscillation is said to have one time period. What does it mean? Suppose the particle starts from O, and let's call this position as A, B, let's call this as O. So the particle moves from, one time period basically means the particle starts from the mean position, it moved towards A, then from A it come back to the mean position, then from the mean position it went to the left extreme, and from the left extreme it come back to the mean position itself. So this whole path is the one time period. I'll say it again. That is, it started from the point. It starts from the point O, moved to A. From A, it come back to O. Then from O, it went to B, and from B, it came back to O itself. So that's the one time period. So total distance will be total distance. How will we find the total distance? First, we went from O to A. So OA plus from A, then we moved from A to O. So AO. Now we went to the left extreme, that is OB plus from, and it came back to the mean position itself, BO. So we know OA is equal to A, and AO is definitely A. That is the amplitude itself. Again, OB is also A, and OB is A, and BO is also A. So the total distance will be 4 times the amplitude, 4A. So that is the total distance covered by a particle in SHM in one time period. Clear?